never knew how much I really liked you, because I never even told you all I meant to.
These little tulips. I have two options for my outfits. I'm gonna try them on now and see which one I want to do. Okay guys, we're leaving right now. It's super windy, so I don't even know. Okay guys, so I got crazy colors for my ice cream, and what'd you get?
I got cotton candy, and then she gave me the sprinkles on it for free.
She has sprinkles all over the table. Look at this. We're going to the pool 2 times today. The first time we go is right now, and we're gonna go do portraits, but we're just gonna do that. We're not gonna go in the pool, and the second time we go, we're going in the pool. Oh my gosh! What we're actually out here to do is we're going to do portraits of each other. I brought color pencils for us too. These are my favorite color pencils.
It's a crop top right here. Get him!
I'm gonna show you guys the paper in the pool. But look at my drawings recently. I've been doing fruits all the time. So I did an apple. Stop! I did an apple, grapes, cherries.
Guys, I've been making grapes and stuff with rubber bands.
I don't know why she has my phone case on.
And it's so busted.
It's getting hot outside right now.
Right now it is currently 13:54 in military time. If you don't know what that is, it's actually 1:54.
Just tell us the regular.
And we're gonna start the 10-minute timer. I already have a 10-minute timer on there.
Okay.
I don't know why, but
Ready?
3,
2, 1.
Oh my gosh, the ears are such different shapes. It's not even funny.
It's so blur. Okay, come on. Scoot in. 3, 2, 1. Look at hers, bro. Hers looks disgusting.
What do you mean yours is disgusting? Yours looks so good.
Oh, you guys are having a blessed and beautiful morning or night. Okay, so we're going on a random road trip right now. We literally just decided. So I'm gonna see you guys on the road. Here's one of the little bags I'm bringing. I'll probably show you what I have in it later. Okay guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I have this denim purse with me. I just got it from a friend a while back. And then I have these different bracelets and stuff. I have a red headband on, this gray vest. I have these pants from Marshall's, I think. And then I have random sneakers.
Okay, so I have this bag. I don't really know where from. It's like beaten up and rusty. And then I have these pants from Walmart. I think they have like ring pop. You guys have seen them before. And then this t-shirt from Walmart, I think.
You're the sunset on a long day. I'd wait forever in your hallway. Change your colors, start to wonder. Paint it over, or stay the same.
Are you okay?
McDonald's.
When's the last time you had McDonald's?
Yesterday.
Okay guys, so we're at Cane's right now. Everybody just got their meal. We practically got like almost the same thing, which is just bread, 3 chicken tenders, french fries. She got the kids meal with this cute little cup on the side. The last place we went was Dave's Hot Chicken, so I'm so happy with this because that Dave's Hot Chicken was horrible. I had a whole headache after, backache, stomach ache. It was crazy.
No matter how much you think you know me, there will always be parts of my story that are for me and me only. That's kind of the point. You never know everything, even when you think you might. You never know the silent battles people are fighting, even the people you think you're the closest to. You'll never walk in my shoes, and I will never walk in yours. And we shouldn't have to in order to empathize with each other.
Good morning. It's the next day. I've already gotten ready and stuff like that, but I did want to start the vlog again. I've just been like cleaning my room and doing my laundry all morning. Here, I'm going to show you guys my outfit. Here's my outfit for today. I have this vest on. It's a dark grayish color. And then this blue shirt. And then I have this cute denim skirt on. And I'm going to put a belt on. I think it's going to be this basic belt. It's just cute. It has this little notch on it. And it's black. For my earrings, I have these cute little ones. And then I just have this drink, which is Arizona. Look at this cup. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so hey guys, it's a little bit later. I did want to share with you guys something I got like a long time ago from my grandma, which is this little tea set. I'm going to show you guys a few of the pieces in there. The rest are in this box. So you guys have obviously seen one of these, but here's the second one. It's beautiful. It just has this tile detailing on it with like little leaves that are gorgeous in different blues and purples. And then I think you guys have also seen something like this, but here is another little cup. And here is probably my favorite cup that I have out of the ones that I'm showing you guys. Look at this detailing. I like how the cool and the warm tones mix together on this cup, and then the blue detailing on the top. I also have this cup. It has this beautiful flower on it. Look at the little lines in the flower. We're gonna put those back, but I just wanted to share that because I think it was cool. So maybe you're into like teapots and princessy stuff or anything like that. So if you're not, it's still fun to hear about like other people's past and stuff.